Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, Portable Blender for Smoothies, Shakes, Food Prep, and Frozen Blending, 700-watt base and 16 ounces. Cups and spout lids, Black QB, 3001 SS. Pulse Technology. The powerful 700-watt push-to-blend motor base powers through everything in the cup for the best of ninja blending, serving as a juicer, smoothie blender, milkshake maker, and more. Nutrient extraction. Unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, blending even the portions that are usually discarded. Frozen blending. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, shakes, and more. Compact and simple. So compact that it fits on any countertop. With intuitive, easy-to-use controls, it's the go-to personal blender for shakes and smoothies. On the go convenience, blend directly in the 16 ounces single-serve cup, attach the spout lid, and enjoy your creations on the go with this convenient, portable blender. Easy to clean, all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for added convenience and peace of mind. Thanks for watching and subscribe.